Welcome to another session of IELTS essay writing, and today we shall be learning how to write an advantage and disadvantage essay. But before we proceed, subscribe to the channel, like videos and share, and don't forget to push the bell icon button for notification. So are you all guys ready with the pen and paper to learn how to write an advantage and disadvantage essay? Let us understand the overview. You will get the instruction: write 250 words. Now, if you write a 9-band essay and the count of the words is 249, you will be disqualified. So please count and write. I always request my students, please count and write. You get a buffer of 20 to 30 words, like you can wind up in 270 words or 280 words, but it should not be less than 250 words and not more than 280 words in case you get penalized. Also, the duration that is given to you is 40 minutes. There are 5 types of essay, and any one of them can come. First is the opinion essay, in which the question will be you agree or disagree. There may be a discussion question, discuss both views. Problem solution essay, a double question essay, advantage and disadvantage essay. So among these 5 types, I have put the video on YouTube on opinion essay, discussion essay, and this is the third video on essay, and it is the advantage disadvantage essay, and the other 2 types of essay shall follow soon. So stay tuned. What are the criteria on which your essay is scored? Your essay is scored on the task response that is given to you. What is the task response? When I will be showing you the prompt, I will explain to you. Coherence and cohesion, the ability to use cohesive devices, and the overall logical structure that you present is the coherence, the lexical resource or vocabulary, and the grammatical range and accuracy. With grammatical accuracy, they mean proper punctuations, correct grammar, and grammatical range means the variety of grammar you use and the variety of sentences you use. Let us understand the task that is assigned to you in the advantage and disadvantage essay. In this, you have to identify both the sides of a prompt that is given to you. And you can give a balanced response or you can give your own opinion of the prompt that is given to you. So this is the task that is assigned to you. Also, you are supposed to support it with specific examples. Let us understand with a prompt. The sample is written on the screen. Nowadays, many people choose to live and work in a foreign countries. It is a general statement. Now you have to discuss the advantage of people choosing to live and work in foreign countries, and you have to discuss the disadvantage of people choosing to live and work in foreign countries. So this is the task. How well you meet the task, you are assigned the appropriate band. Let us understand our essay structure or skeleton. As I say to my students, the essay structure is as follows: introduction, paragraph 1, in which you state the advantages, paragraph 2, in which you state the disadvantage, and finally the conclusion. Let us write the introduction. The prompt is there on the screen. Let us see how we can formulate an introduction. The structure of introduction is on the screen: paraphrased question, supporting statement, and essay outline. Let us see with a sample. Here you can see the paraphrased question. This is the supporting statement, and this is the essay outline. I have tried my level best to help you understand, to write the best essay so that you score the maximum band. I don't say score 7+ band. I motivate you, and I work so hard so that you achieve 8 plus band. Now let us see how to write an paragraph. In the first paragraph, we will discuss the advantage. So the structure of the paragraph will be, you will be writing a thesis. You will be then writing a support statement to support the thesis. You will support your thesis by providing an evidence. And finally, sum up your paragraph by writing the summary. Okay. Now, now let us read a sample paragraph. So, one major advantage of living and working abroad is the opportunity for personal and professional growth. This is your thesis as an advantage. When individuals immerse themselves in a new cultural environment, they develop adaptability, independence, and cross cultural communication, qualities that are highly valuable in today's global job market. You are providing a support to your thesis. Okay. For instance, a software engineer from India who works in Germany may not only gain exposure to an advanced technologies, but also learn to collaborate with diverse team, enhancing both technical and interpersonal skills. You have provided the evidence for the thesis. And finally, thus relocating internationally can significantly broaden one's horizon and improve career opportunities. With this sentence, you have summed up your paragraph. Now, let us study how a disadvantaged paragraph can be structured. Same way, the structure of paragraph 2 will also be like paragraph 1, thesis, supporting statement, followed by evidence, and summed up by a summary. Here is the sample paragraph on disadvantage. So this is your thesis on the downside. See the note of the cohesive devices. A second paragraph, a disadvantage has been introduced by the cohesive device on the downside. Working in foreign country can lead to emotional and social structure. This is the supporting statement. Many expatriates, see the level of vocabulary used. Many expatriates experience culture shock, language barriers, and a sense of isolation, especially when they lack strong local support network. This is your evidence. For example, a nurse from Philippines working in the UK might struggle to adjust to different workplace norms and feel disconnected from her family and community, which can negatively impact mental health. And finally, your summary. Therefore, despite the career benefits, adapting to a new country can pose significant personal challenges. I hope I am able to make myself clear in teaching you the correct structure of paragraph. And finally, the conclusion. You have to restate the main ideas. Main ideas means the summary of advantage paragraph and summary of disadvantage paragraph. You have to summarize that, and then you have to give a balanced or clear opinion. You have the choice of, you have the liberty of concluding with your opinion. It can be balanced or it can be a clear one sided opinion. Let us see a sample of balanced opinion. So in this, you can see the main idea. While working in foreign language can expand one's horizon and career opportunities, it also brings emotional challenges. See how beautifully both the paragraphs have been summarized in one single sentence. And overall, the decision depends on individual goals and adaptability. This is your balanced opinion. Neither you are with the advantage, neither you are with the disadvantage. You are giving a neutral opinion. Now let us see a sample with a clear opinion, a one-sided opinion. In this, here is the main idea. While relocating to another country for work offers individuals the chance to broaden their horizons, experience new cultures, and advance their careers, it also comes with challenges such as cultural adjustment and emotional stress. See, in both the conclusion, the advantage and disadvantage paragraphs have been summarized. But here I am presenting you two different ways of presenting the summary. There is so much way into variety. You can play wonders. Conclusion, a final quick tip. Please use lot of cohesive devices and avoid repeating exact words from the introduction and body. Try to bring in new words. Some of the useful phrases that can help you are the for advantages, you can use following phrases. For disadvantages, you can use this phrases. If you note carefully, these phrases you can use in each and every sentence of your paragraphs. Your paragraph, your thesis can start with one key advantages or a major disadvantages. The supporting statement can start with this leads to, this can result in. Evidence you can first in advantages you can start with for instance, for disadvantages you can start with for example, and the final summary you can start with this benefit is evident in, this drawback is illustrated by. And again, a quick tip, use a variety of cohesive devices. And moreover, however, on the other hand, some of the checklists that you have to ask yourself for certain criteria, like for task response, please ask yourself, did I address both sides clearly? For coherence and cohesion, ask yourself, are ideas logically ordered and well connected? For lexical resource, ask yourself, did I use topic specific or did I use varied vocabulary? And for grammar range and accuracy, ask yourself, did I use a mix of simple and complex sentence type? The common mistakes that a candidate can make is ignoring one side of the issue. Now, one of the major mistake a candidate can make is discussing a topic which is not even mentioned in the prompt. For example, in the current prompt that we are discussing, working and living in a foreign land is being discussed. But candidates make the mistake of discussing a advantage of living in foreign country and disadvantage of living in a home country. And in the second paragraph, they will write the disadvantage of a living in a foreign country and advantage of living in a home country. Please carefully read the words in your prompt. If the prompt is mentioning only living and working in a foreign country, please stick to that topic. Don't introduce living and working in your home country. No clear opinion when asked. If in the question if they ask you, give your opinion, you have to mention your opinion. Repeating vocabulary or sentence structure, giving a weak conclusion or unclear summary. The conclusion should be very clear. Your summary should be very clear. Your opinion should be very clear. It should not be at all smudged. Let us read the full essay. This is the prompt. See, this is what I mean. Here in the prompt, if you look at my cursor, in the prompt it is mentioned live and work in foreign countries. Please, in the full essay, even if you read the sample essay, see, even in the full essay, nowhere is living and working in homeland mentioned. All you have to discuss is living and working in a foreign country. Period. Here I am removing my video so that you can read the full essay. You can take the screenshot. Now here are some of the prompts for you to practice. This will certainly help you improve your writing. You can DM me or you can fill in the registration forms to get the extensive coaching. You can take the screenshot of these practice prompts. You can contact me for offline coaching also. So finally, please like the video, comment whatever you feel about the video, and please subscribe to the channel to motivate me to bring in more useful content. Comment to me what specific topic should I be making more videos of so that I can be as much help to you as I can. Thank you.